There are four documents that are approved for you to verify your Pi Network KYC from Nigeria. Yeah, so if you are verifying from other countries other than Nigeria, you just have to observe this because it will be equivalent to what you use in your country. Yeah, yeah, those four documents, when you have it, any of it, yeah, just one of it is what you have you'll be required to use for your Pi Network KYC verification. And also understand that before you await this Pi Network KYC verification, you must have verified your Facebook, your Pi Facebook account. You must have verified your Pi phone number. You must have verified your your name also. So just look at the spots of for verification in your profile and make sure that you have verified all of this. And after that, you'll be lucky to get your KYC verification message. So now here is the document. This is number one of this document is your driver's license. Your driver's license, yeah, look at it for Nigerians. If you are in Nigeria, if you're not in Nigeria, your driver's license is approved for your Pi Network KYC verification. And also, you have the premium national identity card. Yeah, the one that is now called the digital identity card. You use it, and this is very fast for anything you're verifying online, not just for Pi Network KYC verification, but for every other online verifications. This digital premium NIN works very fast. So you can check this video description for 6 minutes video on how you can get yours through the use of your smartphone in this video description. And now you have the number three, you have the international passport. Now, those international passports, if you have it, you can use it to verify your Pi Network KYC. So, and also you have the national identity card. You know, they are different. National identity card is different from the premium NIN. The premium NIN is also known as digital identity card. That's why I told you it works quickly for online verifications because it is a digital identification identity card. Yeah, so now the reason you now have to know any of those in case you are not from Nigeria is any document that is approved by your government, the government of your country, any of such document is permitted, is allowed for you to use in verifying your Pi Network KYC. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Now, if you want to stay tuned to our content from this channel, subscribe to this channel and click the all notifications bell to stay up to date. All right.